Welcome to the in front of me REALME GT Neo 2, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just select the application and, for example, hold for a while to the application and drag this up to the another application. And as can you see right now, we got here the new folder. Also we can add here one more application by the same way, and if you want, we can add one more app here. And by tapping here on our folder, you can tap here on the name of this folder and you can rename the folder, for example, like the apps. Also we can move this folder here on the screen or also between the screens. Just press and hold for a while and drag it to the another screen or just to the position where you wanna just fix this folder. And also if you wanna just remove one application from this folder, just you can hold for a while and tap here to the remove icon, or also we can just hold and drag it here to the position on your screen, for example near the another applications. And by the same way we can make the same action, and as can you see, our new folder is gone. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe to our channel.